Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to bunny hop in Team Fortress 2. Firstly, enable the console in Advanced Settings. Go to Controls, then find the key to open the console. Start a match, then press your console key. In the console, type bind M wheel down plus jump to bind the jump scroll down, or bind M wheel up plus jump to bind it to scroll up. You can start running forward again to gain speed and jump using the scroll wheel and let go of the W key. To strafe left, press A while moving your mouse left. For right strafing, press D and move the mouse right. Repeat the continuous bunny hopping until you learn it, and with practice you'll get faster and more accurate. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.